we are going to discuss on the brand which is 200 years old. Before starting, let's start with Kuch Meeta Ho Jaye. This brand have started the foundation by selling tea and coffee, and today this brand has become worldwide famous. So, welcome to the world of Cadbury. Today, Cadbury is the second largest confectionery brand after Mars Wrigley. The foundation of Cadbury was done by John Cadbury at 1824 in Birmingham, England. At the age of 22, they opened the first shop and started selling tea and coffee. At the same time, he also started selling drinking chocolates and coffees. Drinking chocolates and coffees was considered as the luxury product, which was consumed by the elite class at London. The cost of production was very large because of cocoa was used as raw material. South and Central America and West Indies, this raw material was imported. Due to the superior quality of Cadbury, the popularity got increased of cocoa and drinking chocolate. In 1847, John Cadbury with his brother started the new firm named Cadbury Brothers. They expanded their business. In 19th and 20th century, there were only three top competitors: Cadbury, Roundtrees, and Fry. Later on, Fry was acquired by Cadbury and Roundtree was acquired by Nestle. In 1847, Cadbury's competitor Fry introduced the first chocolate bar. Later on, Cadbury also introduced the first chocolate bar at 1849. From 1850, Cadbury started exporting the chocolate bars to other countries. In 1854, Cadbury got the royal warrant from Queen Victoria. The further business was handled by John's sons Richard and George. In 1861, they started focusing on the business of chocolates. In 1866, Cadbury took the biggest step, which was revolutionary to the cocoa business. And then, Cadbury Cocoa Essence was registered. They gained the new method of separating cocoa and cocoa butter. And by using cocoa butter, they introduced variety of chocolates.
In year 1897, Cadbury introduced the first milk chocolate bar. And year 1899, Cadbury firm got converted into private limited company. And year 1905, Cadbury Dairy Milk was launched. Cadbury, which till now having same quality and got famous in year 1914. Cadbury Dairy Milk was best product of Cadbury. 1915, Cadbury introduced first milk tray. In the year 1990, Cadbury acquired his competitor J.S. Prime. They started producing chocolate on the grand scale. They started adopting various techniques by which not only luxury but also other scale consumed. In year 1920, Cadbury changed the color of dairy milk and kept it purple. In year 1921, Cadbury logo was decided, which was matching to Williams Cadbury signature. The glass in a half symbol got introduced in 1928. In year 1913, Cadbury became 24th largest British manufacturing company. Cadbury acquired Marks Wrigley of US Mac Robot Sons in 1967. In 1981, Wispa chocolate was introduced. Cadbury started introduce the product like Cadbury Cocoa, Cadbury Dairy Milk, Cadbury Fruit and Nut, Cadbury Bournville, etc. and started capturing India slowly. Cadbury was said as real taste of life. Cadbury brought the campaign of Kuch Meeta Ho Jaye. After that, Cadbury started the campaign of occasion of Raksha Bandhan and Valentine's Day. In year 2008, Cadbury got Silver Award for Most Effective Use for Advertisement. Cadbury got the 7th rank in India for the Great Place of Work.
Cadbury entered India in the year 1948. Cadbury, which is still a well-known and much-loved brand, was owned by Mondelez International. Cadbury, which is at the top of the Indian market because of its quality products and the memorable way which they communicates with their consumers. Chocolate is the one thing that everybody consumes. But earlier times, people used to think that chocolate is only for kids and children. Then Cadbury started focusing from toddlers to the 100 person. It came up with a series of campaigns over the years from क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी का to खाने वालों को खाने का बहाना चाहिए to कुछ मीठा हो जाए. If we see carefully all these campaigns, they have been aimed at the repositioning of Cadbury as a brand. It is used to be thought as treat for kids, but Cadbury has tried to reposition itself as a chocolate for anybody and everybody. By this method, the selling of Cadbury increased drastically. By using reach and frequency parameters, Cadbury India encouraged audience they could achieve 5.8% increase in the top of mind awareness, 5.1% increase in the brand consideration completely attributed, 5.7% incremental reach over TV.
Later on, Cadbury started adopting the technique of market penetration. Market penetration technique is the technique by which Cadbury will be known by everyone, and Cadbury used this technique for getting more popular and capture India. Cadbury was known for exceptional quality, innovation, distribution, and marketing. Market penetration technique is of 4 types: product improvement, price adjustment, increased promotion, more distribute channel.
Cadbury adopted 2 techniques, innovation and distribution. Earlier, Cadbury was having 20% of profit before starting the advertisement. Then they used technique of advertising and innovation and invented varieties of chocolate and products like Dairy Milk Silk, Cadbury Dairy Milk, Fruit and Nut, etc. For occasion India's used to give envelope and gift. Cadbury understood that India has a huge gift market and they introduced Cadbury celebration for every occasion. Cadbury advertisement increased their popularity 40%. Each and everyone can afford the chocolate. Not only luxury but each and everyone can buy. So Cadbury started chocolate from 2 rupee to above 1000 rupee. They started exporting and started inventing variation in chocolate. Slowly, Cadbury started capturing world. 67% was of Cadbury, 21% was of Nestle, 6% was of Ferrero, and 6% was of other. Sale growth of Cadbury was 20% before, and now sale growth of increased 80%. Sale of chocolate increased slowly. By this technique, Cadbury captured India and captured everyone. Hertz. Now Cadbury is most trusted brand.
Today, Cadbury has started